I would like to welcome you all to attend this class. In earlier class, I explained about origin and development of short stories, prose section, and also one of the most important literary form that is short story. Today, we shall discuss about a moment of eternity. It is included the most important facts. They are dream, fate, relationship bond. These are the three important things that can be seen in this story, a moment of eternity. Let us come to know about a moment of eternity in a brief of summary. The story A Moment of Eternity is a modern version of the old Savitri Satyavan myth. As I told you, it is based on mythological ideas, particularly on Hindu concept in our country. What was happened? The same thing that can be seen in this story. In the modern story, the heroine fails to bring back her husband to life. So she kills her children and tries to commit suicide. She is imprisoned for double murder. The law is at mercy to her and she is not given capital punishment but 4 years of imprisonment. But she thinks that she can commit suicide either drowning in the river or by fire. If there is no death, she wanted madness. She wanted to escape from the horror of memory, a story of unending time or infinity of eternal guilt of killing her innocent daughters. By all these ideas, ultimately we come to know that in this modern age, how a woman was going to commit a mistake and at last how she is going to become a disastrous lady. And next one, Bhavani Bhattacharya reflects the modern Indian social scene. Steel Hawk and other stories deal with the problems of destitution and crime prompted by desperate poverty. The study of the Indo-Anglo novels varied 240 themes: social, political, nationalist, diplomatic, cultural, etc. of the spirit before after independence. He has propounded the theory of the social and moral function of art and has pleaded for reality and truth in literature. According to him, a novelist should not have a preconceived plot but should use contemporary events and social realities as subjects for writing novel. The narrator of the story is the mother of Sona Monam. Now she is a prisoner and stands at the court awaiting the judgment. She had murdered her two children, girl children, Sona and Mona. Due to unemployment, her husband lost his life. He was shocked and tried to say something, but he couldn't, and he died. Instead of struggling hard to look after her children, she poisoned them to death and she tried to commit suicide by taking opium in heavy dose. She wanted to become another Savitri who brought back her husband's life from Yama in the death god. But ultimately, she became a failure in her life. The theme of in a story, a moment of eternity. It is the hours of helpless woman and a mother, but to her amazement, anger, and disappointment, the verdict was that she has to lie. She would be imprisoned for 4 years. The moment of eternity came to an end with the sentence. She was a victim of the old man's mercy. She prayed for instantly, but he did not come. The ringing voice of her two little daughters, whom she had killed, rang in her ears. The story is introduced through flashback when a narrator who is a murderer awaits the judgment. There is an O. Henry touch here, suspense till the end. In this story, we find no names because this tragedy could happen to anyone on the earth. It is an universal experience. There are some important questions which can be read and observed in this situation. Now let us see first one. Who are Sona and Mona? There are three options: angels, narrator's daughters, goddesses. The answer is narrator's daughters. Second one, the story Moment of Eternity is about Savitri Satyavan, narrator and heroine, both. Among these three, answer is both. Next question, eternity here means to love with the eternal guilt of killing daughters. Eternity here means to live with the eternal guilt of killing daughters, to have been imprisoned, to live in the present. Among these three, answer is to live with the eternal guilt of killing daughters. So like this, let us try to read a text of the story, A Moment of Eternity. Prisoner at the bar, said the judge, and his old man's voice faltered a little. His being round eyeglasses with a mounting of gold looked at my face, but in truth looked away. Prisoner at the bar, said the judge, and because I felt the throbbing of his old man's heart under the black uplock coat and the knot of trouble that was for me to untie or clip away, I smiled at him. I smiled a warm encouragement as one would to one's father, and my eyes turned, prodded the black cap that lay on the enormous table. For the woman warder had said the night before, locking up the door of my cell, her tongue thick with the meaning, he has to pick up the black cap and place it on his head so he may look like Yama, the death god, and then alone can give the sentence and take a life by the mere utterance of 10 words or 12. So like this, you can read text of the book and try to understand meaning of the difficult words, and also all of you must try to read important sentences and make them use them in writing, and I hope that it will be useful for you. And now again, to read this